Halloween is always a fun time of the year. It's full of scary movies, spooky decorations, creative costumes, and tasty treats. It doesn't, however, have to be full of waste. A lot of the costumes, decorations, and candy wrappers used for Halloween are made up of or contain a lot of plastic. Did you know that all the Halloween costumes made in one single year can contain the same amount of plastic as about 83 million plastic water bottles? And for every 10 Halloween costumes, 4 of them are only worn once and then sent to the landfill, creating 2,000 tons of plastic waste every year. 2,000 tons of plastic waste are about the same weight as 13 adult blue whales. Buying a new Halloween costume every year for just one night is like using single-use plastic bags every time you go grocery shopping. It's a waste. Plastics are bad for the environment because they are made from crude oil, which is a fossil fuel, and their production releases greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing more and more to climate change. Plastics are non-biodegradable, meaning they're not able to naturally decompose like organic materials can. And so most of the time, they end up in landfills where they can take hundreds of years to break down. If plastics don't make it into landfills, we often see piles of plastic waste end up in the environment or oceans, causing more harm to natural ecosystems. So, we know that plastics are bad for the environment, but if the majority of Halloween costumes and decorations are made from plastic, what can we do? Well, the good news is there are so many ways to reduce unnecessary waste this Halloween and still have a great and sustainable spooky season. Here are a couple of ways you can lessen your environmental impact and reduce waste this Halloween. Instead of buying new costumes from the store year after year, you can consider renting instead of buying your costume. Renting a costume is cheaper than buying a new one, and it can be returned and reused again the next year by someone else. Shop around at thrift or secondhand stores for old clothing and other accessories you can use in your costume. Then donate or resell your costume when you're done with it. Reuse and repurpose materials around your house to make as creative a costume as you can. Consider using leftover fabrics, old sheets and bedding, vintage clothing, old sports equipment and jerseys, cardboard, and more. Organize a costume swap with your friends or through social media. It's not just costumes that we can be more environmentally conscious about when it comes to Halloween. If you go trick-or-treating, make sure to carry reusable bags with you to collect your candy, instead of buying molded plastic jack-o'-lanterns or plastic bags to collect candy. You can use cloth or canvas bags. Pillowcases can be a great choice. They are washable and can usually hold more candy than a typical shopping bag. Halloween decorations are also typically made of plastic and are non-recyclable. So just like our Halloween costumes, there are many ways to get creative with them. Get secondhand decorations from a thrift store or make your own using objects from around your house. You can make spooky eyes out of toilet paper rolls or tombstones from cereal boxes or candy corn decorations from yarn. Make your own using natural materials that you can compost and return to nature when you're done with them. You can make a Wicked Witch's broomstick from sticks and twigs, or creepy crawlies made from pine cones. Use the decorations you already have. Make sure to store them safely throughout the year so you can reuse them year after year. Another important note, avoid using the stringy, cottony spider webbing decorations outside because they can sometimes entrap birds or entangle other wildlife. As you can see, there are so many ways you can help reduce waste and make an impact this Halloween. Halloween is meant to be spooky, but it doesn't have to be scary for the environment. Happy trick-or-treating!